a na-ebulukwa mmadụ n'ọkpọmma onye mee nke ọma ebulie ya elu tie ihe nke o ji na-aga n'ihu biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kele n'eze eze adịghị adị eze Ugochi tubelu nwoke ọma na oraifite ị ga-adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye mmanya ji eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye mmanya ji eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochi tubelu ga-adị Ugochi tubelu tempụl ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị okenye ga-adị ndị oche ya
daalụnụ ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo anyị abịakwanụ n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba nke ọ bụ mụ nwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya maka ndị ọpụta bụ izi ha na-afụ afọ mmụọ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu oraifite afa ji wee chi ọzọ Eze-Ana abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala tempụl anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche abụkwazi bụ onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration prayer ministry bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me an ordinary evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị bụ all you should know about marinas ndị mmiri. Ọnya bụ isiokwu anyị. Mana before anyị gaba n'iru ihe nchọ ka nkọwalụ gị bụ ihe ị kwesịrị ịma gbasalụ aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa our monthly rituals. The one of July is still ongoing. We will close it on the last day of July. Ndị niile na-esonye na ya na aja ọsọ ha ngwa ka enweta ihe gbasalụ kụwa gbasara ya na their WhatsApp numbers. Ha nwa amadugo ka esi esonye dị ya mana maka gị gbaba onye ọfụ ịchọrọ isonye na aja mbunye na aja ịpụta ihe aja esigoro na ya bunye ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ elu aja anyị dị n'igwe maka na igwe bụ ike ihe ị ga-eme ewu ọ bụrụ na ịchatịa m ị forward ya 3 prayer request then make donation token to the account number so that we will be able to book you. Yes, distance is not a barrier. You can join us anywhere you are in the world as long as you're under this planet Earth. My WhatsApp number, where you send the message if you are interested to join in this mass monthly ritual. Send message to WhatsApp 0813 82 871. I repeat, 0813 82 43 871. Ka anyị gaba n'iru na nkụzi anyị ji bịa. Na-esonyela anyị n'oge awa nke eziokwu na awa chanel bụ Eziokwu TV. Ọnwa nkụzi anyị kụziri na Eziokwu TV, ị chọrọ iri watch ya again, visit my YouTube channel, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana, Ugochi tubelu. Or if you want to watch any of our Nollywood movies shown on this channel, go to our YouTube channel for movies, Ugochi tubelu movie productions. If you watch any of our movies, you can watch them on YouTube. In our television, you will see our temple address, how you can locate our temple at oraifite. Yes, number 3 Chief Wenham Street, behind Jesus bus stop. Yes, once you reach Jesus bus stop, ask anybody around Jesus bus stop in oraifite, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu house, they will direct you. Then, ka anyị gabazie n'iru. Kedu ndị bụ ndị mmiri? Ndị mmiri are the water elements. Some people normally give water elements bad names. Some people call them bad names because they don't understand na mmiri enwe ilo. The water people are friendly elements. But for the fact that people don't understand how they work, they keep giving them, calling them bad names. But it doesn't work that way. The water elements are friendly elements. They have no enemy. Water has no enemy. In fact, water is life. It cannot do well without water elements because they are very crucial. People normally call them bad names, associate them with so many ill-luck and so many setbacks. But it's not true. Lots of people are facing challenges from negative energies and from witchcraft attack. And what they should do is blaming the water spirit. I can tell you, water spirits are not evil. Yes. The only thing is that when you do what you are not supposed to do, maybe you are living your life against a natural norms, you will be attracting akarogeri ndị mmiri. Agwara gị na ihe niile nọ n'ụwa, Chukwu kere ihe ọbụla, oke na nwunye, mma na njọ. Na-etu aka Chukwu okike si wee kee ụwa. So when you are living your life anti-clockwise, you already made yourself an enemy of nature, forces of nature. Who are those forces of nature? Forces of nature are these earthly elements that works in harmony. Yes, with God, wish of Almighty Father. And while doing their job, they normally come across man. Now, if you're a noble man with pure heart, you receive their blessings. Now, if you are an evil man, or your heart is always filled with garbages, then you receive the reward of what you have sown in creation. Like some people will be having a luck whenever they are having some certain business proposal that's supposed to fetch them money. So we say immediately they had sex in the dream, that business nullified. And now they will attribute it that is in the dream. No. I have already explained it in my previous lectures that not every weight in the dream is caused by a demon. So many things can cause it. Phantom spirits can cause it, akarogeri, that is negative energy, can cause it. Your lifestyle can touch it, can cause it. If you're a type that normally watch pornography, nude pictures, you know, admiring women curves and whatever, it's when how you train your thought. I can tell you, our minds are like photocopier machines. Yes, sometimes what they copied, what you feel you are taught with. Then when you fell asleep, yes, when you fell asleep, because when you fell asleep, their spirit have loosened a little bit up, far away from their body radiation that normally fetch up. Now, your body can receive those negative thoughts because it's what you have sown while you are awake. Now, those negative thoughts you magneted, your mind magneted as a photocopier machine, will start playing while you're asleep. And then, and those lustful thoughts, you fill your mind with when you are awake, you start replaying. You understand? That's exactly what happens. So, what I can tell you, sometimes negative energy will attract yourself because whenever you feel your thought with negative thoughts, believe in me, you are building and building good relationship with those negative thoughts and bonding yourself with them. Definitely, you have to face the consequence. So sometimes those disappointments you normally face after sleep is as a result of negative thoughts of what you have sown in pressure. Yes. So because you have already sown, I told you that whatever you sow is what you reap. Go and read it, Galatians 6:7. That God can never be mocked. That whatever you sow is what you reap. You are reaping negativity that's bringing setback. Yes, you brought that setback to yourself. So stop calling them mmiri. The water elements are two friendly spirits. Yes. Let me give you an example. The water sprites, or call them the marmots, etc., and other water elements are friendly spirits. Believe in me. As long as you keep your thought pure. Yes, there are some certain things you will know about in the minute. Also, certain things that will be happening in your life. No, you have link with water elements. Yes, some people have. There is two divisions. There are some people that have direct link with the minute and the water elements, and there are some people that have a link with water elements indirectly. Like I said, some people have connection with water elements directly, while some have link with water elements indirectly. Yes, for those people that normally have link with water elements directly, there's a certain common things you will be seeing yourself. Yeah, if everything, such a thing is happening in your life, you know you are what we call here in Igbo language mmiri. Now, ọ bụrụ na ị na-awụ mgbe ụfọdụ ifu onwe gị when you are swimming in the water or river or stream or an ocean, you normally see yourself either swimming or hovering around river areas, or sometimes you see yourself appearing in a kind of marine kingdom. Yes. Or maybe you normally see yourself putting on white. You know, water people are associated with white. Yes, when you see yourself in the putting on white, maybe see yourself, maybe there's lots of people like maids or guys that are there, you know, singing your praises, or maybe honoring you as if you are a queen, or giving you a kind of staff, or giving you a kind of motivation while you are still within that water arena in the dreams. Or maybe where you see yourself, you know, adorned in white clothes, and maybe find yourself within the river banks. Yes. Or maybe you see yourself in the river banks or inside the water swimming, and maybe another water elements start to talk to you and giving you some messages. Yes, if you are seeing yourself anything associated with water, appearing in the water or having anything to do with water, or a spirit from the water talking to you, it shows that you have linked with water. Now, if you are sometimes see yourself Whenever you are seeing yourself in a dream, always on white. Then, and maybe you normally see yourself surrounded with water and anything that has to do with water. Then it's likely you are you're a mariner. Then again, there are some certain characteristics that is very common with mariners. One, the mariners have soft heart. Yes, mariners have soft heart. Even if you offend them, they might be angry at that particular moment, but few minutes later, they are already free themselves. How about you walk? They might get them angry at that particular moment, but they don't keep malice. Yes, immediately they tell you to the face that they have this facial expression of uh, whenever they are not happy, maybe you offend them. They don't keep it. They don't hold because they say water does not have enemy. Yes, mmiri enwe, meaning water people, you offend them, they tell you to your face, and once they say it out, they forget about it and move on. They have soft heart and they forgive easily. Unlike seeing those people that have links with fire elements and those people that have links with other elements. But water people, their heart is the best. Yes, because they forgive easily. They don't keep enmity. They don't keep enmity for long. Once you offend them, they tell you to your face and they move on. Two, you will know about the people that have link with waters is that the water people, they are they are friendly people. Yes, they are friendly people. They like they like entertainment, enjoyment. That's why you see some people that are always, let's say, musicians, actors, people that are into any form of entertainment industry. Majority of them has links with water elements because water people like much like fun. Yes, they like entertainment. I remember the famous Oliver the Coco will tell you, "Egwu m si na mmiri o si na mmiri, egwu m si n'ikuku o si na mmiri bịa," meaning my songs comes from the water. Yes, I will still remember um, Queen Teresa Onora, the famous Queen Teresa Onora, our one minute for. So only really like as once you offend them, they say it out and they move on. They have heart of gold. Yes, they really like entertainment. They move on. They don't keep malice. So because of that, they free themselves. And next minute you see them, you offend them, they tell you. The other minutes they already move on and they're enjoying themselves. And another thing that the mmiri, if you are selecting the people that are so beautiful, they have beautiful, both their outward look and their heart, so beautiful. That is in the mmiri for you. Whether working on Ibaha or why not Ibaha. The mmiri it has anything beauty. Yes, anything beauty, give it to them. Yes, that number one. Yes. Again, the mmiri they wear obioma. They have good heart, and the mmiri now they let go easily. They forgive easily. Yes, but don't take them for granted. Ndị mmiri ọnwụ na ndị mmiri biri na ya adịghị ha gbaa agha aka afịa ị ga-eleta ezigbo ego. Ndị mmiri na-enwe good luck. Ndị mmiri has so many things to do with good luck. Yes. Ndị mmiri bụrụ onye mmiri gbaa agha aka afịa na afịa you will sell that very well. Yes. Ịlọta bụ mgbe anwa when I was growing up, when we are living at Onitsha, this face me and face you compound, then when we are very small. I know some women that normally go to market every morning to go and sell one thing or the other. Maybe I have already dressed with my school uniform, trying to go to school as a primary school pupil then. Now they will be calling, "Hey, come and lift my market for me. Come and lift my market for me." According to them, once I leave their market for them, they will make them to sell more. Yes, because of that good heart. That is in the mmiri for you. In the mmiri for you, one thing they will not like is, but when you offend them and they're angry with you, believe me, you get it hot. Yes. When you offend them, that thing people normally say, "Ndị mmiri na-eme nke a, ndị mmiri na-eme nke a." Let me tell you, if you are married an onye mmiri, yes, you are marrying a woman or a man that have link with waters. Never you offend her intentionally. Yes, because if you offend her intentionally, and in the spiritual world, they find you guilty that you offended one of theirs intentionally. Believe in me, you will be penalized. Yes. But if you are too kind and show love to Onyemiri, believe in me, you will receive blessings and good luck in abundance. Let me use what you already know, the story you already know in the Bible. We were told that Rabbi Jesus was teaching people, one or two, and the tax collectors came to him, demanded tax from him. He doesn't have the money. And now said, Peter, go to the river, try to harvest a fish there. The first fish you got there, open the mouth of that fish, you see money. Now they use that money to pay up his debts. What am I saying? The water people, they are successful people. They have money, they have wealth. Water have wealth. So whenever you are close to water, you enjoy. Do you know how many people that are normally feed from the goodness of water elements? Go to Cross River, you see some people that are on, some people that are into this crayfish business and into uh, water life stock. Yes, some people are there making money from what the water can give to them. It started not now. So water is the sustainer of life. So what am I saying in essence is that if you are truly an Onyemiri, you have link with mariners. If Onyemiri, you are not supposed to lack. Unless you are soiling your hands. Yes, there are some certain things that Ndimiri forbids. Yes, Ndimiri forbids some certain things. And if you are living your life well and continue maintaining your good relationship with Ndimiri, you will not lack. Because they love one of their own. And whenever you call upon them to assist you, believe in me, they will never let you down. Ndimiri has it all. But they hate oppressing one of their own. Once you do that, you receive bulala. Maybe you are a man, you are marrying Onyemiri. Yes, and you are oppressing her, calling her names, calling her obanje, calling her bad names that will hurt her so much. Yes, calling her those names makes her to feel bad. Yes, and if she feel bad because of what you have done, or names calling, you get it hurt. I remember one woman was telling me, anytime, and at this stage, her husband understands it perfectly. Anytime he offends his wife, and the wife is angry with him, he will go to market. Nobody will ask him whether he is selling or not. His business will close. And I already noticed that whenever he makes his wife happy, and he goes out to look for daily bread, he makes more money. You get. So if you are opportune to come across onye mmiri as or have onye mmiri as your partner, make sure you don't hurt her intentionally. They have blessings to offer you. Let me advise you again as a woman. You are onye mmiri. Let me tell you what you'll be doing for someone in love. Your husband, your fiancé, you love the person so much from your heart. Learn how to bless him. You have what it takes to bless him in abundantly. Learn how to speak positivity into his life. Learn how to bless him abundantly. Whenever your man wants to go out, call him closer, hold his hands, and speak. And ask your Lord to bless him. Ask your Lord to bless your husband abundantly. Ask your people, your spiritual forces, look, I love my husband. I love my fiancé so much. Please, I beg of you, bless him for me. Just say this word. I can tell you, he'll give testimony. It's working like magic. If you're sure, deep down your heart, that you love this young man with all your heart, without reservation, say this prayer after me. Whenever your husband wants to go out, for whatever he's doing as his works of his hands, call him back. If you want to hug me, hug him. If you want to hold his hand, please do. Call your spiritual forces. God Almighty, this is my man. I love him so much. Protect him from me. Protect him from every harm. I love him. Bless the work of his hands. After saying this, let him go for his work. I can tell you, he will favor. Water has to do with blessings. Water has to do with blessings. Use your mouth very often to bless whom you love. I can tell you, the mariners has all the powers. Yes, to have all the powers. So always use that here positive powers, because the mariners bless. Use that positive powers to bless your man, to bless your loved ones very often. And try not to be upset. Never you use the same mouth you're supposed to be blessing your husband to curse him. Instead, whenever he offend you, try to make excuses for him that he doesn't know what he's doing, that he's ignorant. By having this in your mind, you'll be able to forgive him. But whenever he offends you and you are very angry and upset, it affects him. Yes. So you find out that whoever that you bless will be blessed. Whoever that you curse will be cursed. Now the people will now say, this is Obanje. As if Obanje is evil. I'm number one Obanje. I'm proud to be an Obanje, yes. What you don't know is that those elements are there for you. If they are not touch mmiri or abuse mmiri anyhow, you never go scot-free. Some people normally see Obanje as evil. Yes. Me, I love Obanjes too much. Yes. The thing is that people don't understand and how to balance things. Once you are not oppressing her or him, any Obanje, whether man or woman, once you are not oppressing him, yes, don't be fair enough to him. They will never go after you if you are fair enough. The spirits are wise. The water spirit, the salamanders, the mammals, and the water sprites. They are two friendly spirits. Their work is to grow, to make you a better person. But there are some certain things that normally makes people to receive gulala from them, because there are some certain things they forbid. Yes, they forbid you soiling your hands. They forbid you from oppressing an innocent person. Yes, even if you are a mariner, you are forbidden from oppressing anybody. Yes, you are forbidden. You are not allowed or permitted to take undue advantage of a less privileged. Never you do that. As one mmiri, you are forbidden from soiling your hands, blood. As you know, the mmiri loves white. That is immaculate. That is sign of purity. Yes. For some of you, that normally, unless you take yourself to attract Ocho or rap to yourself, that is anger. You understand? For desecration. For some of you that normally go to the river, you will be spilling blood. Who sent you? Ọtụtụ n'ime unu na-eje ebe ahụ gbata butere onwe unu. You are not allowed to do such. Yes, even in the temple. Yes, I think I want mmiri mbụ. Enwere m ndị mmiri nwere a place in the temple. Yes, mana enwere another place in the open. Yes, in the garden. Yes, in that garden we build a place like the angels garden. We build a place for Ndimri where we offer blood sacrifice to Ndimri. Yes, but in the altar we don't split blood to Ndimri. The altar, no, it's not allowed. Instead, for any blood sacrifice to Ndimri, there's a place we go with their offer to go and offer blood sacrifice, but not in their presence. You understand? Yes, because they don't like blood. Yes, unless if you are offering that as a sacrifice, but not inside that river. Yes, you have a sacred place where you call them and give life of animal in sacrifice. Yes. So what am I saying? What I'm saying in essence is this: learn, learn that really love purity. Never you put your hands in anything that is abominable act. They hate abortion. Don't put your hands in abortion. Spilling blood. All these things is what you normally do. They forbid it. Anything that like I always say is purity. Anything that is abominable act. Yes. Because you will attract negative forces that will destroy you tomorrow, and tomorrow you say it's in the middle that is giving a negative energy. No, you are the one that attracted negative energy to yourself. Like when you're a woman, you're sleeping with an fellow woman, you are committing abominable act. When you're a man, you're sleeping with another man, you are committing abominable act. And by so doing, you attract phantom spirits that we call ateroweri in our language. They will destroy you. And when they start to rally you, flogging you blaming in the middle, say Marina this, Marina that. Marina are loving people. As long as you do not give your room for those negative energy, to attract negative energy that will destroy you by yourselves, then live a good life. What you can do on your own is they are very lovely people. Even if there is some certain things that are your heart desires, go to them and ask them for blessings. Example, let me give you an example what happened when I wanted to start my work. I was born on a market day, the day of the land element, the gnomes. Yes, market day. So, but for the fact that I now own mmiri, although the casino with dual link of the mmiri and then that. Now, what I did is that I went to the river and now told them that I want to start my work. Then I asked them to bless me, that if they do, that I will never stop singing their praises. So what I did is that I told them I have an agreement with them that I will be coming on every Nkwo market day till 4 consecutive Nkwo. Yes. So I bought eatable things. I went to the river and told them that I'm here for their blessings. And after that, I had my bath. Yeah. Then, after offering them all the good things I came with, as Saraka. Now, after that, I now remind them that the next Unko market day that I will return. The next Unko market, I came, I did the same thing. Oh, boy, I bought some vegetable things and everything. And after that, I had my bath again and go. And I tell them, remind them again that the third Unko market, I will come. The next Unko market, I came. I performed the same ritual, had my bath and go. Now, in the fourth Unko market day, I went again, making it the four consecutive Unko market days. I came and performed the same ritual, had my bath and go. And now tell them that they should be my pillar. And since ever then, they have been supporting me. Whatever I ask, I get. So what I'm telling you that learn how to be friendly with some of these elements, especially the water people that are too friendly. Yes, they don't keep enemy, they don't keep malice. But the problem is that people normally call them bad names when, yeah, maybe a beautiful lady, grow old, no husband, having disappointment, they will say it's married people. Sometimes these things is that, have you asked yourself if you have ever lived negative lifestyle? Is that negative lifestyle you are living that attracted those around and negative vibes to you? And that is exactly what is destroying you, because you are using your hands to pull down all you're supposed to be your glory. And now you are blaming the mirror. I can tell you, unless you are in their bad record because of your bad lifestyle. Yes, if you are in their good book as living a good life, worthy of emulation, believe in me, you will never receive their bulala, their powers. But whenever you are doing the wrong thing, you are saying that they may have blocked your favor, block this, block that. Have you take your time to study your lifestyle? Have you ever indulged in all these abominable acts? Have you ever indulged yourself in those negative things that attract aura and their carrying spirits to you? Yes. Have you ever engaged in uh, all the negative things that is bringing negativities around you? Sometimes, if you want to receive their blessing, make sure your hands are clean. If you have ever engaged in abominable acts, any of them, both abortion and they are even advising people to do, believe in me, you need to go for appeasement and cleansing. You know what I mean? So that whenever you call or cry to them, they will hear your voice. So what is causing problem to you is as a result of what you have sown. You sowed negativity into creation, and you are now receiving the same measure you have sowed, even more. And now you are crying foul. You are saying that in the middle, they are very loving people. They don't block you. Always except if you block yourself. Yes. Learn from today how to call the water sprite, the mermaids, to be of help. But please make sure your hands are clean. Yes, but because even whoever that is oppressing you drinks water. So if you are connected with water and you are in good term with water elements and spirits, whoever that is offending you, whenever the person drinks water, it become a thing, or it become a disease to him or her. Yes, because the water people are with you. Never you say ill about water people if you don't understand. Sometimes you have negativity that is blocking things for you. I can tell you that those negativities is caused by akarugiri. Yes, the negative aspect of vibrations that I ensure that whatever you sow, you reap. When they have start flogging you, then you'll be blaming the minutes as being responsible for your predicament. But I can tell you, if you can hear my voice today and start applying the natural principle of life, of ensuring that your hands are clean, then apply it, live a good life worthy of emulation, and you will be great. The many blessings, people with wealth, wisdom, and like whatever gift they have, every one of them in abundance, and they are very willing to share it and uplift you. So what you will do is that make sure if you have already committed abominable acts, go and clean yourself up, because abominable acts irritate them. Yes, abominable acts irritate them. So if you have committed abominable act, you will be abandoned, and those abominable acts will be bringing disappointment to you, because your face is covered with ocho and negativity. People will begin not to like you. Even people you had business with will detest you. Even people you have your friend, your fiancé, and they will detest you. And sometimes you will be crying that this and that in the middle. Sometimes you are the one that caused the problem. You're a married man, you are sleeping around, cheating on your husband. Don't you know that what you are doing is an abominable act? Yes, you have options. If you don't want to continue with the marriage, you kick out. Yes, Igbo spirituality supported that. If you are in an abusive marriage, you are not being taken care of according to you, based on your own measure. Now, there is no problem. It's not by fire by force. If you are no longer comfortable or enjoying the union, why can't you separate? Or why can't you go away and walk away? Then must you still be in your husband's house while you are still doing all those abominable things that is forbidden? Don't you know that you are complicating your issues? And when the punishment meant for those people like you, they will be crying foul, saying that Ndimri is that, Ndimri is that. I can tell you, Ndimri are very friendly people. That they not somebody know them back. Whoever that has problem and wish to be cleansed should approach Ndimri for cleansing, because they have it all. And I'm happy to have a link with waters, because I know you cannot do without them. They are very benevolent spirits. They bless abundantly. Now had to go to the company anyway. If you have any message, or I want us to do consultation for you, drop your message. Drop your message to my WhatsApp 0813 8243 871. I repeat, 0813 8243 871. In the name of the Most High, the Creator of the whole universe, I pray for the betterment of our viewers all over the world, our fans, friends of the temple, and children of the temple. I pray in the name of the Most High, the Creator of the whole universe, be blessed and remain blessed. Hey guys, see you some other time tomorrow in our time for Ezioku time. Thank you.